In our increasingly connected world, smartphones have become both essential tools and potential vulnerabilities, particularly during sensitive situations where privacy is paramount. This comprehensive guide explores practical methods for maintaining digital security when using potentially compromised or surveillance-prone devices. Understanding the architecture of modern smartphones to effectively protect your privacy, it's crucial to understand how smartphones function at a fundamental level. Modern phones contain two primary processors, the application processor, which handles your everyday apps and operating system, and the baseband processor, modem, which manages cellular communications. This dual processor architecture creates multiple potential surveillance vectors that need to be addressed separately. The application processor manages your visible interactions with the phone, including GPS functionality, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app operations. However, the baseband processor operates independently and can potentially transmit location data even when the phone appears to be in airplane mode. This architecture makes comprehensive privacy protection more complex than many users realize. The challenge of location tracking: smartphones can reveal your location through multiple mechanisms. GPS provides the most precise tracking, but cellular towers, Wi-Fi networks, and even Bluetooth devices can triangulate your position with surprising accuracy. Even when GPS is disabled, your phone constantly communicates with nearby cell towers, creating a detailed record of your movements. Modern apps frequently request location access, often for legitimate purposes like weather updates or navigation. However, this data can be accessed by third parties through legal requests or security vulnerabilities. Understanding these tracking mechanisms is essential for implementing effective countermeasures. Degoogled phones, a more secure alternative. One significant step toward enhanced privacy is using degoogled phones devices running custom operating systems with Google services removed. These modified phones offer several advantages. They minimize automatic data collection, reduce background processes that might leak information, and give users more control over their device's behavior. Popular degoogled options include custom ROMs like Lineage OS or EOS, which provide basic functionality while eliminating many privacy concerns associated with standard Android devices. However, users should note that switching to these systems requires technical knowledge and may limit access to common applications. Physical protection methods: one of the most effective ways to prevent unwanted tracking is using physical barriers to block radio signals. Faraday bags, specially designed pouches that block electromagnetic signals, can effectively prevent your phone from communicating with cellular networks, GPS satellites, and Wi-Fi access points. These bags are particularly useful during sensitive meetings or when traveling through areas where surveillance is a concern. For those without access to commercial Faraday bags, multiple layers of aluminium foil can provide similar protection. While less elegant, this solution can be equally effective when properly implemented. The key is ensuring complete coverage with no gaps where signals might leak through. The role of SIM cards in privacy: your phone's SIM card plays a crucial role in location tracking. It contains unique identifiers that cellular networks use to track your device, even when you're not actively using it. Removing the SIM card prevents cellular network tracking, though other location services may still function if the phone has Wi-Fi or GPS access. Some users maintain multiple SIM cards, switching between them based on their security needs. This approach can help compartmentalize different aspects of your life and make tracking more difficult. However, remember that removing your SIM card also prevents normal phone functionality, so this method should be used strategically. Virtual private networks: essential protection using a VPN provides an additional layer of security by encrypting your internet traffic and masking your IP address. When choosing a VPN service, consider factors like the provider's logging policies, jurisdiction, and track record for protecting user privacy. Avoid free VPNs, as they often compensate for their costs by collecting and selling user data. A reliable VPN should be used whenever connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, as these present particular security risks. Even on trusted networks, maintaining VPN protection helps prevent your internet service provider from monitoring your online activities. Factory reset: as a security measure, if you suspect your device has been compromised, performing a factory reset can eliminate many types of malware and unauthorized modifications. However, this should be viewed as a last resort, as it erases all data and applications from your device. Before performing a reset, back up essential data using secure methods, preferably to an offline storage device. After resetting, take care when reinstalling applications and restoring data to avoid reintroducing security vulnerabilities. Consider this an opportunity to evaluate which apps you truly need and their potential privacy implications. Developing a security-conscious mindset beyond technical solutions: developing security-aware habits is crucial. This includes regularly reviewing app permissions, being cautious about installing new applications, and maintaining awareness of your physical environment when using sensitive devices. Consider using signal detection equipment in particularly sensitive situations to identify potential surveillance devices. Regular security audits of your device can help identify potential vulnerabilities before they're exploited. This includes checking for unauthorized apps, reviewing network connections, and monitoring battery usage for signs of suspicious background activities. Emergency protocols and preparedness. Develop and practice emergency protocols for situations requiring maximum privacy. This might include quickly disabling various radio interfaces, switching to a secure operating mode, or completely powering down your device. The key is being able to execute these procedures quickly and correctly under pressure. Consider maintaining a separate, minimally configured device for use in high-risk situations. This device should contain only essential applications and no personal data, reducing the potential impact of compromise. Looking toward the future as surveillance technologies continue to evolve, staying informed about new threats and countermeasures becomes increasingly important. Regular updates to your security practices, based on emerging threats and technologies, help maintain effective protection against surveillance. Remember that perfect security is rarely achievable, and each protective measure comes with trade-offs in convenience and functionality. The goal is finding the right balance of security measures for your specific situation while maintaining awareness of the remaining risks. Through understanding these principles and implementing appropriate protective measures, users can significantly reduce their vulnerability to unwanted surveillance while maintaining essential communication capabilities. The key is remaining vigilant and adapting security practices as both threats and protective technologies continue to evolve. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Your support means the world to us. Consider clicking on the videos linked in the corners if you want to watch more.